today we got a Naughty Post box. And by the way, I'm Kiala, and behind Camera Woman is Super Stevie, my mom. Okay, we just got this today. I'm super excited to open it. Let's get started.
Nerdy Post Princess box.
Yes. This is short and here, and I'm excited for it. Ooh, look at this shenanigans. Okay, so right here we have a candle. Now he's gonna open. It is Tinkerbell, and the scent is berries, vanilla, musk, citrus, and jasmine. That's a good smell.
What color is it?
Sparkly green.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Does it smell good?
Very. What? This was just chilling. Still some stuff. I think this is his shirt. It's the shirt! Ooh, feels nice. And it's warm. Yes! It's glorious.
Well, hold it. Oh, you're going to read it, then hold it up.
Uh-huh. This is all. How must you do this? Do people assume all your problems because a big struck man showed up? Yes! What's up with that? It's a Wreck-It Ralph 2 Ralph Fix the Internet. You should go see it. Because
Amazing.
if you haven't, you don't know what you're missing. Right, Mom?
Absolutely.
Well, I wish I could give spoilers, but I can't.
You don't have to fold that, baby girl. You can just set it aside.
Ooh! It's a Merida pen.
Hold it out.
Hiya.
Fancy.
Uh-huh. So she didn't get arrow. Look at how big her hair. It's so pretty. I'm gonna have to put it on that. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna have to put it on that. Sorry, my room's a mess right now. Here is the pillowcase. Look at her big, beautiful face.
Open it up. Show it to us.
I'm like, hiya. Ooh, I like how this feels.
Is it all soft?
Not really, but it's okay. Feel it.
Oh, that is too soft.
I don't know. Soft is like this.
That's fuzzy. You don't want a fuzzy pillowcase.
I do like fuzzy pillowcases.
Hold it up. Let me see the design.
What? Oh, this is so pretty.
Beautiful.
She's on the other side. She's upside down. Yeah.
Let's say you can flip your pillow.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Zuko. Why is every pet interrupting the video?
Because they're nosy.
Yeah, they're nosy. He's more nosy. Like me!
We have Beast Boy here who wanted to be involved.
Yes.
You don't have to fold everything, baby.
Don't judge me. I want it to be nice. And there's her beautiful face. And next we have bubble wrap. I'm joking, no. I'm gonna pop that later. The poster. Ooh la la. Oh, bills taped. Damn.
Can actually pull the inside out and then it'll slide out of the tube.
Okay, that's cool. What's this?
Yep. And then it slides out.
Okay, that's cool.
It's not my first Nerdy Post box.
I know. Is it feel like an Owl Junior?
That's a different crate.
I know, but does it feel like an Owl Junior?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see how this. Ooh, this looks kind of cool. Some people use their imagination.
Aw, that's a Belle quote from Beauty and the Beast.
What part?
It's when Gaston asks, how can you read this? There aren't any pictures.
You stupid. Just saying that.
Some people have used their imagination.
Like me and Mum here.
Just set it aside. I'll roll it the other way so it'll be flat.
What?
Just set it aside. I'll fix it later so it's flat.
Hey. Ooh, let's do deep postcards. Oh, it's too much right now. Dang it. Okay, so right here we have. Oh, there's more postcards aside.
They're in a sleeve, yep.
Oh, cute. So right here we have Ariel, We have Aurora. We have Belle. Like, if we hang up the poster, we should put this right next to it.
Mm-hmm. So it's going in my book nook, right?
No. You know what? Yeah. We have Cinderella. And we have Jasmine. Put this.
You gonna show them to me? I saw Belle really good, but I didn't see Cinderella and Jasmine. Ooh.
Pretty. Look at the back.
It's a postcard.
Going. Yeah.
Let me see Jasmine. She's pretty awesome. Cool.
Look at her face. Oh, I have Jasmine right there.
You do have Jasmine right there.
Pictures from the movie.
Lithographs.
What?
They're called lithographs.
Lithographs? How did they manage to put this in the sleeve? That's my question.
Just set it aside, baby girl. We'll pack it up later.
Okay. I'm gonna set it this way so I don't get both of them mixed up. I don't know why I'm so weird with that.
You're just you.
Ooh, Moana.
She's gorgeous.
Kiara. I'll say that stupid song.
On a side note, I have a way that I annoy Kiara. For anybody who remembers the end when Moana is all empowered and sings, "I am Moana," nothing makes Kiara more angry than when you say, "I am Kiara." Was that very nice?
Sorry. It's just so annoying.
It's fun for me. Mulan.
No, she's stunning. I think this out. Oh yeah, Pocahontas.
Pocahontas.
Wait, here we have Snow White.
Mm-hmm. First Disney princess.
Oh yeah, she was the first one. And Tiana.
Mm-hmm.
It'd be cool if one of them is Tinkerbell.
You got the candle for Tinkerbell. Besides, you already have Tinkerbell on your wall. Da 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 da.
That's the only in Pokemon. Still a lot more stuff in here.
Well, Nerdy Post has
Wait,
awesome
it says
boxes.
Stickle. I am not a prize to be won.
It's a Jasmine quote from Aladdin.
Yeah.
Because
What part does she say this in?
she says that when Aladdin and Jafar are arguing over does Aladdin get to see her, and she storms in and says, "How dare you, all of you, standing around deciding my future? I am not a prize to be won." And then she storms out in righteous fury. It's beautiful.
A bookmark.
Love bookmarks.
I know. This is mine now.
What's it say?
It's double-sided.
Cool.
But is it made of wood? That's my question. And does it feel like wood?
They make super sturdy bookmarks, and they're just
It
amazing.
feels so real. Feel it.
Yeah, I like the sturdy bookmarks. They don't.
Cool. No, it feels like rubble.
All right. What's
The
it say?
only way to get what you want in this world is through hard work.
Who says it?
Mm.
Tiana. When she's telling off Prince Naveen.
You are only a... I don't know what it says.
You are a scholar, are you not? Judging from your diminished physique and large forehead, you are suited for nothing else.
What movie is this from?
Kita says it to Milo in Atlantis.
Oh, that's Disney?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I'm failing as a parent.
Apparently you are. No, well, actually not, because I survived this long.
You've made it to 9. Congratulations.
Another postcard that you could draw
Color.
says, this... Oh yeah, because it's way too late. This is awkward, not... You're awkward, but... Because, well, I'm awkward. You're gorgeous. Wait, what?
Who said it?
Anna, when she sang it to Prince, Booglebutt.
Close. Hans of the Southern Isles.
He's stupid.
What's his last name? Of the Southern Isles.
He's stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah, his name is Booglebutt.
Okay, we will call him Boogerbutt.
Yay. She goes where the wind takes her.
Let me see. Pocahontas.
Why does it say she goes? Like, why does it say ship? Is it when
Because
he's
someone was
talking
talking to Pocahontas' father. Like, she goes where the wind takes her. She has her mother's spirit.
Sweet.
Or the tribe elder tells that to her father.
What is this?
That tells you everything that's in the box. But what does the other side say?
Sometimes I will... Yeah, I don't know.
Sometimes our strengths lie beneath the surface. Far beneath. Moana, she's talking about Hey Hey.
In some cases.
In some cases. Like when Hey Hey was trying to eat rocks.
Okay. Here's the last pretty thing. It's so shiny!
Let's see. Ooh. Anna and Elsa.
Oh, I'm sad now. There's something else.
Alright.
Except for a broken box now. And fluff.
Well, say goodbye to the nice people.
Boy.
It could be a girl watching. Say goodbye.
Bye!